Portable air conditioners are a great tool for cooling your home or office. Easy to move from room to room, portable ACs are perfect for spot cooling different areas or as a supplement to your standard air conditioner. The only real setup required is venting the unit to remove hot air from your room. Luckily, venting your portable air conditioner is a breeze. To begin, extend the included slide connector to fit your window. These connectors are designed to fit any type of window imaginable, and additional extenders are available for much larger ones. Close the window tightly to hold the connector securely in place. Then connect the hose to the back of the unit. If your unit has two hoses, you'll want to connect both. Try to avoid bends in the exhaust hose, as this can result in overheating and unexpected shutoffs. The hose may be extended slightly towards the window, but for maximum cooling efficiency, use the shortest hose length possible. Finally, just connect the hose or hoses to the connector in the window and you're ready for some serious cooling.